Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys talk back problem by how to fix. Friends, we're going to fix guys your Samsung phone guys phone talk back. So how to fix today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we fix guys Samsung phone guys phone talk back. So friends, you will have to on guys Samsung phone. First of all guys, your phone setting guys. So friends, you can see guys your Samsung phone guys, your phone setting guys. One tap on your phone setting guys, and guys continue to tap guys. Continue to tap guys. So friends, you can see this tab settings. So friends, you can scroll your screen with your two finger guys. One finger will not work guys. So friends, you will have to use guys your two finger to scroll your Samsung phone screen. Then guys click on your phone accessibility. One tap guys. Wait here guys. Double tap. Continue guys. First click on the phone talkback setting and get double tap. Friends, you can see your talkback. We will tap here and get double tap to off your talkback setting guys. Cancel option and friends turn off option. So guys click on the phone turn off. Again guys continue to tap. Then guys your talkback will fix and guys you can use your phone without any talkback setting. So like that guys we can fix guys Samsung phone my phone talkback, and guys you don't know how to use it and how to fix and how to off. So friends, you can check from here guys. You can see guys you how to turn off, how to use setting talkback setting guys. You can read from here and you can off it. So like that guys we can fix guys Samsung phone guys talkback. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video.